Welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Now you can enjoy watching YouTube videos for free and earn $3 every 90 seconds. The website we'll be using today is sproutgigs.com. However, before we proceed, you need to create a YouTube account. If you don't already have one, please visit youtube.com and sign up for free. Select Create an Account for Myself from the Sign-in menu to get started. Later on, I'll guide you on how to leverage this platform to maximize your earnings. And the best part is, it won't cost you anything. One of the great advantages of this strategy is the availability of multiple payment options, including PayPal, Litecoin, Payeer, and others. Let's now head straight to sproutgigs.com. We will utilize the website Sprout Gigs, which serves as a platform connecting business owners and freelancers worldwide, offering simple and affordable projects. Sprout Gigs presents various online income opportunities. Whether you already have a job and are seeking an additional gig or simply want to make money by watching movies, you can achieve a respectable income by clicking play to start the video, watching it, and earning cash. You can succeed without any technical expertise or prior experience. In your spare time, you can check the daily revenue generated by visitors to this website and choose freelance projects to earn on sproutgigs.com. Upon reaching the website, you will be directed to a page where you can see the most recent completed jobs along with the workers' names and their total pay, including hourly rates. As you can observe, visitors from various countries participate in these projects, representing individuals from virtually every country in the world. Currently, this service is generating substantial income for many individuals. You can also review the available payment options and withdrawal amounts, as well as the most recent withdrawal requests. Therefore, you can find all the necessary information about payment groups on this page. However, it's important to note that while this opportunity may offer the potential for significant earnings, it's not advisable to rely on it as your main source of income or a replacement for your day job. Consider it as a side hustle to supplement your current income. To start making money in the freelance and earn section, I invite you to create a free account by clicking here. You will then be prompted to provide your real name, email address, password, nickname, and other required details, and every country. This comprehensive list includes all countries, so you can select your own country as it welcomes individuals from around the world. After choosing I'm a worker, you need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click the Sign button to proceed. Once the assignment process is complete, you can start making money online. I will guide you through the process, so there's no need to worry. Now that you've successfully created an account, you can log in. Your account page will look like this. Inside your account, you'll find numerous job opportunities available, and on the right-hand side, you can see the potential earnings for each position. Salaries vary depending on the specific job. Next, I want you to click on Apply Now and adjust the category to Video Marketing to view the relevant tasks. Before we delve further, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. If you found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's explore the thousands of tasks available for completion, with many rewarding us for watching videos. Imagine being able to click on a YouTube video and watch it leisurely in the comfort of your own home. You can work on this at any time and from anywhere, all while getting paid for it. So, how does it work? Simply click on any of the available positions. You will need to provide some personal information such as your city of residence, date of birth, and a security question and answer. As a new account holder, the amount of money you can earn from watching videos will then become apparent. To fulfill this requirement, you must go to youtube.com. Search for the specific keywords mentioned, ensuring that you manually input them and avoid duplicating them. In the next step, look for a video that features the corresponding thumbnail. Avoid using unnecessary filters such as newly uploaded or similar ones, as they won't generate any payment. If you want to get paid, make sure to complete the next stage, which involves watching the video for a minimum of 9 minutes. Now, the secret is to simply mute the video and let it play in the background, allowing you to passively earn money online. It's important to enjoy the video as well. The inclusion of these videos in the background has no impact, and you can also complete other tasks or jobs on Sprout Gigs to achieve better results and earn more money. There won't be any specific jobs that pay you solely to watch YouTube videos. However, these tasks are incredibly easy, making them suitable even for complete beginners. On micro-job websites like Sprout Gigs, visitors can get compensated for engaging with various types of content, such as Facebook posts. To start receiving payments, all you need to do is click a button. You can also earn money by simply visiting a website after clicking a link. There's no easier position than that. Despite the low pay, I believe the effort is worthwhile. If you're looking for an online job, consider investing your earnings from Sprout Gigs into something you believe will appreciate in value over time. Additionally, Sprout Gigs offers work opportunities that allow users to sign up for multiple platforms using only an email address, first and last name, and payment details. You'll have access to countless available jobs, and the best part is that you can complete as many as you desire. These tasks can be accomplished in just a few hours while you remain still, and the money will accumulate quickly. You might have noticed that some users on our website are already making 6 figures annually. One important feature to note is that Sprout Gigs also provides an affiliate network.
This software
which
here
can
that
further
I've
boost
never
your
shown you
earnings.
before can do
Now
all of the
let's
hard
address
work
some
for you and
frequently
allow
asked
you to
questions about their affiliate program. How can you obtain a unique affiliate link? And what about statistics? To receive a unique affiliate link, log into your account, go to the Accounts area, and click on the Programs and Offers page from your account page. You can track your affiliate statistics, which indicate how many people have signed up using your affiliate link and how much money you have earned. How do you earn a commission? You can earn money by referring new users and receiving payment when they make purchases or complete jobs. Where can you place your affiliate link? You can share your link on blogs, forums, websites, social media, and in reviews. How can you increase your income? It's recommended to target new freelancers and small business owners worldwide to promote your affiliate link. Business owners often have online tasks that freelancers can complete at an affordable price. And that concludes our discussion. If you enjoy similar content, feel free to check out my other videos. If you like this one, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to enable notifications. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.